Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in last video we studied example number from example 1 to 4 of practice at 12.2 of word problems. Now in this video we are going to continue from example number 5. Now example number 5 is in a two-digit number, digit at tens place is twice the digit at unit place. Unit place digit we have to consider as x. If here suppose unit place digit be x, unit place digit be x, and tens place digit is twice the digit at unit place, means 2x, twice of digit, twice of unit place, and tens place digit is equal to tens place digit is equal to, it is twice of unit, means 2x. Therefore, what will be a two-digit number? Two-digit number is equal to, now we know how to form two-digit number, 10 into tens place, 10 into tens place, 10 place is 2x, plus 1 into unit place, 1 into unit place, 10 into tens place plus 1 into unit place. Now which number do we get here? Is equal to 10 twos are 20x plus 1x, 21x. Two-digit number. Two-digit number is this. Actual format is this of two-digit number, but we can add it is a one variable. What is next? If the number obtained by interchanging the digits is added to the original number. Now this is original number. Okay. Here digits. Now number obtained by interchanging the digits, and the number obtained by interchanging digits is equal to, now here interchange digits here, these digits we have to interchange, 10 here, 1 here, 10 will go here, 1 will come here, then 1 into 2x plus 10 will go here, 10 into x, 2x plus 10x, and if we add, it is 12x. What is condition now? If the number obtained by interchanging the digits, means this number is added to the original is this, sum is 66. Means here this number and this number, if we add them, we get sum 66. Therefore, 21x plus 12x is equal to 66. This is given condition. Now let's add it. 21 plus 12, 33x is equal to 66. X is equal to 66 upon 33. Therefore, x is equal to 33 twos are. X is equal to 2. We got. What is to find? Find the number. Number means two-digit number. This number we have to find. Therefore, I continue here. Therefore, two-digit number is equal to, two-digit number is equal to, what is two-digit number? 21x. 21x is equal to 21 multiplied by 2 is equal to 42. For two-digit number we got 42. Dear friends, now let's see example number 6. Some tickets of rupees 200 and sum of 100, we don't know how many, sum of a drama in a theatre was sold. The number of tickets of rupees 200 sold was 20 more than the number of tickets of rupees 100. Now 100 rupees tickets number of tickets of rupees 100 were less. Consider x for that. Suppose the number of tickets of rupees 100 be x, and the number of tickets, these are numbers, number of tickets of rupees 200 is equal to, now for that condition is given, these were 20 more than rupees 100, 20 more than 100x, then it is 20 more means x plus 20. These are number of tickets. Total amount received by the theatre by sale of tickets was rupees 37,000. That is the amount. Now how to get amount? 100 note is of 100 and quantity x. Therefore 100x, that will be the amount. Here 200 rupee notes and quantity number of tickets x plus 20. If you multiply, that is the amount. By the given condition, now we have to write amount. Then what is the amount of 100 rupee x? This 100x plus what is amount of rupees 200, then multiply that. 200 multiplied by x plus 20, and total is 37,000. See, this is the amount of 100 rupees and this is the amount of 200. Total 37,000. Now let's solve this. 100x plus, now multiply here, 200x plus 2 to the 4, 3 zeros, 4,000 is equal to 37,000. Now add like terms, 300x is equal to, now transfer this to right side, 37,000 minus 4,000. 300x is equal to subtraction 33,000. X is equal to 33,000 divided by 300. 2 zeros cancel. Therefore x is equal to reduction by 3, 110. X is equal to 110. These are number of tickets of rupees 100. What is to find? Find the number of rupees 100 tickets. Then that is the answer only. Therefore, the number of tickets of rupees 100 sold was 110. Means 110 tickets were sold of rupees 100. Now let's see example number 7. Of the three consecutive natural numbers, 5 times the smallest number is 9 more than the 4 times of the greatest. Find the numbers. Now consecutive numbers means bigger than 1, greater by 1. Let the 3 consecutive natural numbers be. Now first let's take x, second x plus 1 greater by 1, x plus 2, we want 3. Okay, these many x plus 1, x plus 2 respectively. Now by the condition, this example is very easy. By the given condition, what is given condition? Of the three consecutive natural numbers, 5 times the smallest. Smallest is this, means 5 times the smallest. 5 times the smallest is more than, is 9 more. 9 more means plus 9. 9 more than 4 times the greatest. Greatest is this, 4 times greatest x plus 2. See, equation becomes like this. 5 times the smallest is 5x is 9 more plus 9 than 4 times the greatest. Now let's solve this. 5x is equal to multiply by 4 here. 4x plus 4 2s are 8 plus 9. 5x is equal to 4x plus 17. Now bring this 4x here. 5x minus 4x is equal to 17, and 5x minus 4x, x is equal to 17. What do we want? We want find the numbers, means all three numbers. Therefore the three consecutive natural numbers are first x is equal to 17, second x plus 1 is equal to 17 plus 1 is equal to 18, and x plus 2 is 17 plus 2 is equal to 19. Therefore three consecutive numbers are 17, 18, 19. Let's see example number 8. Raju sold a bicycle to Amit at 8% profit. Amit repaired it spending rupees 54. He spent 54 rupees on that. Then he sold the bicycle to Nikhil for rupees 1134 with no loss and no profit. Find the cost price of the bicycle for which Raju purchased. Now suppose that cost price be x. Suppose cost price of bicycle for Raju be rupees x. Now Raju sold at 8% profit. Then what will be selling price? Selling price of bicycle for Raju is equal to cost price plus profit. Cost price is x, profit is 8%. 8% of x. Then it is written as x plus 8x upon 100, and that will be 108x upon 100. That is selling price for Raju, but purchase for to whom he sold? Amit. Raju sold to Amit. Therefore that will be purchase price for Nikhil. Okay, therefore we can write here purchase price for Nikhil is equal to, now Raju sold to Nikhil, therefore that is 108x upon 100. Same amount, but selling price for Raju and purchase price for Nikhil. Now Nikhil spent rupees 54 on that, and then he sold for 1134, and that is the condition. Expense is there on that. Then what is the condition then? Purchase price plus expense is equal to total. By the condition, now condition is expense means purchase price, this 108x upon 100 plus 54 he spent, and total he sold 1134. By solving this we get x value, means that is the cost price of bicycle for Raju. Let's solve it. Now here is 100, transfer this 54 first. 108x upon 100 is equal to 1134 minus 54. 108x upon 100 is equal to, now subtraction, 4 minus 4 0, 13 minus 5 8, and here 1 0 1, 1080. Now this 100, here I continue, 108x is equal to 1080 multiplied by 100. 108x is equal to 1080, 2 more zeros. X is equal to 108000 upon 108. Now here direct reduction we can do 1s are 108 and 3 zeros, 1 2 3, 1000 rupees. And that is the cost price of bicycle for Raju. Means Raju purchased cycle for rupees 1000. Therefore we can write here Raju purchased bicycle for rupees 1000. Now let's see example number 9. A cricket player scored 180 runs in the first match, 257 runs in the second match. Find the number of runs he should score in the third match so that the average of runs in the 3 matches be 230. Average is given and runs scored in the third match we have to find. Then let it be x. Suppose the runs scored in third match be x. By the condition, now here condition we have to use average formula. Now runs in first match 180 plus runs in second match 257 plus runs in third match we considered x divided by number of matches are 3 is equal to, and average is 230. This is the average. Now solve this. Here addition 7 8 plus 5 13. Here 437 plus x upon 3 is equal to 230. 437 plus x is equal to 230 multiplied by 3. 437 plus x is equal to, now here product 300, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. X is equal to 690 minus 437. X is equal to, now here subtraction 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 4 5, 6 minus 4 2, 253. These are runs scored in third match. Therefore, runs scored in third match is equal to 253. Now let's see the last example. Example number 10 of this practice set. Sudhir's present age is 5 more than 3 times the age of Viru. Anil's age is half the age of Sudhir. The ratio of sum of Sudhir's age and Viru's age to 3 times Anil's age is 5:6. Then find Viru's age. Now Viru's age we have to find, consider x for, suppose Viru's age be x years. Viru's age be x. Now say related ages. Sudhir's present age. Therefore, Sudhir's present age is 5 more than, 5 more means plus 5, 5 more than 3 times the age of Viru. 3 times means 3x. 3x plus 5. It is Sudhir's age. Anil's age, and Anil's age is equal to, what is Anil's age? Is half means upon 2, half the age of Sudhir, and Sudhir's age is this 3x plus 5. half the age of Sudhir. Now this is condition. By the condition now, condition is the ratio of sum of Sudhir and Viru. Sudhir and Viru, their sum. Ratio of sum means add these two. X plus 3x plus 5. Sum of Viru and Sudhir. And to what? To 3 times Anil's. 3 times means 3 multiplied by Anil's. Anil's age is this. 3x plus 5 upon 2. This I write in bracket. Now here you see ratio of sum of Viru and Sudhir to 3 times Anil's. Okay, 3 times Anil's, and that is 5 upon 6 is equal to 5 upon 6. Now by solving this we get Viru's age. Let's solve this. Now here addition 4x, therefore 4x plus 5 upon, now here multiply by 3 to numerator only. 3 3s are 9x plus 5 3s are 15 upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 6. Now here this upon 2 will come here in the numerator. It is third denominator. It will come here, multiply. Now here I continue. 4x plus 5 upon this 2 will come here. Then 2 in bracket it becomes upon 9x plus 15 is equal to 5 upon 6. Now multiply by 2 here, 8x plus 10 upon 9x plus 15 is equal to 5 upon 6. Here cross multiplication. 6 in bracket 8x plus 10 here is equal to 5 in bracket 9x plus 15. Now product 8 6 are 48, x plus 60 is equal to, here 45 9 5s are 45x plus 15 5s are 75. 48x minus 45x is equal to 75 minus 60. 48 minus 45 3x is equal to, here 15. X is equal to 15 upon 3. X is equal to 5. Therefore Viru's age is 5 years. Now with this example, practice set is completed.